everyone, my name is Nicole Cannon. Just a little bit about myself. I live right here in Oneonta, about 10 minutes away from the college. I just got hired as a long-term sub on Monday for a 3rd grade ELA position in Sydney Central School District. The following presentation is just a little overview of my thesis and the research that I'll be conducting and some of the methodologies that I'll be using. This slide just gives a general introduction to my research. My topic that I chose to do is integrating technology into a literacy curriculum to increase fluency and motivational levels in 3rd grade students. Students often struggle with fluency because they're too focused working on decoding words and comprehension. According to the Common Core standards, students will read with sufficient accuracy and fluency to support comprehension. In my thesis, I will be utilizing a mixed research design. Students will be tested on their fluency, automaticity, and accuracy. And the students who will be chosen to be a part of the research project will then make their own Reader's Theater scripts and will be able to perform them. And this research will be able to answer the following research questions. Are 3rd grade students motivated to read by making their own Reader's Theater scripts? And does using Reader's Theater scripts enhance students' fluency in reading in a 3rd grade classroom? Just a little bit behind my research method. As I stated before, I'll be in a 3rd grade classroom. The specific area of research is ELA and fluency. I'll be utilizing 4 different research instruments that will be explained on the next 4 slides. The first instrument that I'll be using is known as the Motivations for Reading Questionnaire, or the MRQ. The MRQ is designed to help the researcher gauge the participants' motivational levels and attitudes toward reading. There's 53 different questions categorized into 11 different categories. And the graphic to the right shows you how they are, gives a little bit of background on how they're supposed to answer the questions. So if the student thinks that a question is a lot like them, they circle 4, and so on and so forth. The next research instrument that I'll be utilizing is the Motivational Reading Profile, or the MRP. The MRP consists of 20 multiple choice questions. Each question is categorized by 11 different constructs, which as you can see on the graphic to the right of the screen. This instrument will give me pertinent information on student motivation and how they see themselves as readers. And this is important because it could determine their fluency level. That may be why they're lacking in that. The third instrument that I'll be using is, some of you may be familiar with, is known as the DIBELS. The purpose of this instrument is to determine the student's current levels of fluency, and will also be utilized after utilizing the Reader's Theater to see how much their fluency levels have increased. And the third and final instrument that I'll be utilizing is the Reader's Theater scripts. You can just see an example that I'll be showing the students just to see how, just to get an idea of how it's laid out and what's included in your Reader's Theater before they begin to write their own. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.